Hello friends, the current trend all over the crypto space is Telegram mining, where people keep tapping on a button to mine coins on Telegram. But then, is it worth it? My answer is yes, because Notcoin has already proven that it is worth it. So many people made millions few days ago from Notcoin, so you don't have to be left out. If you have not started tapping already, it's not late to join. But then, tapping is not the problem. The problem is to know the right coins to tap and make money. And this is one of the reasons you need to subscribe to my channel, because here on my channel, I share updates on the right coins to tap so that you make money without wasting your time. So friends, the current right coin to tap is Blum project. This is because Blum is backed up by Binance Lab and other popular projects, so you don't have to overlook it. Alright, now you have to watch this video till the end so that you learn how to take advantage of all the options on Blum to maximize your earnings on Blum. My name is Kalisu Soyuchi and I make videos on tech and how to make money on the internet. So friends, I have dropped a link to the Blum platform in the description section of this video. So to start up with Blum, you have to click on that link and you'll be redirected to this interface that you can see here on Telegram. So now you are going to click on the start button that you'll be shown immediately you are brought to this interface. And then the next thing to do after you have seen this particular interface is to scroll down a bit and click on launch Blum. So our Blum bot is launching. Okay guys, it has loaded now. So let us explore the different options here. The first way to start earning is to click on start farming. This button that you can see here, you click on it. Alright, and the automated farming will be started immediately. Alright, this session is going to last for 8 hours rather. That means you are going to check back this particular place after 8 hours and click on claim button to claim the Blum coins that you have farmed already. Okay, so that is the very first option for earning on Blum. You start farming and then check back every 8 hours to claim the already farmed coins and then click on start farming again to continue another session. Alright, so friends, another way to earn on Blum is to click on this tasks button, this button that says tasks. You're going to click on it. Alright, so guys, once you click on the task button, you're going to see all these tasks here. Alright, and you're going to complete these tasks one after the other, and you can see the number of coins you're going to earn upon completion of any of these tasks. For the first one, you're going to earn 90, second one 90, that is 90 for each one of them. So you're going to complete all these simple tasks to accumulate additional Blum coins. There is a Telegram task, Twitter, Instagram, and all the rest of them. You just click on each one of the button and follow the subsequent instructions to complete the task, and then you will earn 90 Blum coins immediately upon completion. Alright, so this is the second way to earn on Blum, guys. Now friends, the other option is to play this drop game. Alright, this is another way to earn some additional coins on Blum by playing this game, and to be able to play this game you must have some diamonds. Alright, just like you can see here, I have 2 diamonds already. So now I'm going to click on play to play this game, and then you are going to click on each one of the so guys, you have to keep tapping on these things that are falling. So as you are clicking on them, your coins will be accumulating, as you can see on the screen. As I'm clicking on these things, I'm having some additional coins accumulating from the tapping here. So you have to be very fast so that you can be able to tap on a lot of them and accumulate a lot of points, guys. Alright, so you have to be quick in tapping on all these things. Okay, so friends, the next task here is the invitation task, where you have to invite people to earn some reward. Now, the major benefit in inviting people here is to earn diamonds, which is going to serve as a pass to play that game to accumulate more coins. Additionally, you are going to earn a certain percentage of coins earned by the friends that you have invited. So as you can see here on the screen, I have 631 Blom to claim, which came from the percentage that was brought to me by my invited friends. So I'm going to click on claim to claim these 631 Blom coins, and then to invite friends, you're going to click on invite a friend. All right, this button that you can see, you're going to click on it. Now, as at the time of doing this video, the friend invitation is limited to 10 invites. All right, that means you can invite a maximum of 10 persons and you will not be able to invite anymore. But then with time, there might be an increase in the limit of people to invite. All right, now to invite people, we're going to click on invite a friend button. You can see I have 4 persons left, and then you're going to click on copy link. All right, so once you have copied the link, you can now send it to different platforms, either personally to your friends, or you can share it on social media to invite some people and earn the benefits that come from inviting people. So that is it, guys, on the different options to earn on Blum platform. So please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button to subscribe, because I share a lot of values here on my channel. You will see more and more of videos like these that will change your financial status. So keep watching, guys. Like this video, drop your comments if you have any. Click on the share button to share this video, and remember to keep checking back on my channel to see my recent updates. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys in my next video.